Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, on day 77 of our journey through the teachings of the Stoics, we're delving into a particularly profound concept from Epictetus, titled The Beauty of Choice. We'll explore how the choices we make define our true beauty and inner character, a lesson crucial for navigating the complexities of modern life. Epictetus once said, "Because you are neither flesh nor hair, but free will, if it is beautiful, then you will be beautiful." This quote pulls us right into the heart of Stoicism, reminding us that our true essence isn't our physical appearance or the material possessions we accumulate. Rather, it's our choices and our exercise of free will that create our beauty and define who we truly are. In the classic film Fight Club, there's a line, "You are not your job. You are not how much money you have in the bank. You are not the car you drive. You are not the contents of your wallet." This modern echo of Stoic sentiments portrays a clear detachment from materialism, a concept as relevant in ancient Rome as it is in today's consumer-driven society. Although Epictetus never watched the film or read the book, he clearly understood the premise. Consumerism, after all, has existed in various forms throughout history. Our lives, much like those of ancient Romans, are full of roles, possessions, and images we project. We have social media platforms where we present meticulously curated versions of ourselves. Every filtered photo, every status update carefully constructed to reflect a certain image. But are these external presentations really who we are? Consider this. You might look stunning today, but if achieving that look was the result of a fervent obsession with your appearance and hours in front of the mirror, are you truly beautiful? If your efforts are purely for external validation, the beauty might be superficial. True beauty, according to the Stoics, lies in the intention and effort behind our actions. A body sculpted through genuine hard work is admirable. A body molded solely to impress others at the gym is not. So, what does this mean for us in practical terms? It means reflecting deeply on our motivations. Are our actions driven by a desire for external validation, or are they rooted in personal growth and self-improvement? When we choose to act with integrity, kindness, and wisdom, we cultivate an inner beauty that far surpasses the fleeting charm of physical appearance. Let's carry this into our daily challenges. Next time you find yourself caught in the cycle of consumerism or social comparison, pause and reflect. Remember Epictetus's words and ask yourself, what choices am I making today? Are they aligned with my true self, or am I merely molding my actions to fit societal expectations? This exercise doesn't just help us shed superficialities, but also nurtures a resilient and serene mindset. When we align our actions with our true intentions and values, we build a more authentic and fulfilling life. It's about standing firm in our virtues and not being swayed by the ever-changing tides of external appearances. As we continue our journey together, let's embrace the Stoic ideal that true beauty comes from the choices we make. Let this be a gentle reminder that our self-worth and essence are determined by our actions and inner values, not by ephemeral external standards. I'm Alexius Varro, and I invite you to reflect on this as we continue to explore and apply Stoic wisdom in our modern lives. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a resilient and purposeful life. Stay true, friends, and remember, the choices you make define your true beauty. See you next time.